Is last year's holiday dinner still stuck to your carpet? We got a product for you.
Hey everyone, it's Clarice and Johnny at the Flooring Corner here at Georgiacarpet. Entertaining during the holiday seasons will leave messes on your floor and spills will happen.
Fortunately for you, we've got a product that makes cleanup a heck of a lot easier.
We'd like to introduce you to Mohawk UltraWood, a waterproof engineered hardwood. Mohawk UltraWood engineered hardwood comes in two sizes, 7 inches and 9 inches, and is also available in several different color options.
Yeah, and this product's made in the USA. It's more resistant to humidity and can be installed on any level of the home.
It also features WetProtect, which is a full coverage waterproof protection backed by a lifetime surface and subfloor waterproof warranty.
And it has the Everlast finish. Hardwood protection is 4 times greater scratch protection, lifetime wear warranty, and it's got 5 times greater dent protection.
Johnny, we made a really big mess.
Yes, we did. Yes, we did.
And now it's time to clean up.
Yeah, let's get to cleaning up.
I don't know whose is going to be easier, yours or mine.
Well, I can tell you right now, you're going to be a lot easier to do than mine.
Yep, because I have the Mohawk UltraWood, and it features their easy cleanup protection. Well, mine cleaned up pretty easy.
Yeah, mine's going to take all day.
Mohawk UltraWood is the floor you want for entertaining at your house this holiday season.
Yeah.
Check us out, Georgiacarpet.com.